Good evening, my dear children. In the previous lecture, we discussed how to write chemical formula, crisscross method. In this class, I am going to discuss some objective questions on writing chemical formula. See this. Correct formula of a trivalent metal nitride. Trivalent metal nitride. You know nitride ion formula N3 minus. Nitride ion. One metal M given. Nitride ion. We know charge on nitride ion -3. This is trivalent +3. Already given in the question. Trivalent metal. Trivalent metal. Nitride -3. Crisscross formula M3 N3. Is it correct formula? We can reduce into simple whole number ratio. What is the simple whole number ratio? 1:1. So then Mn. 3 1s are 3 1s are cancel. So Mn. Mn is the correct formula of trivalent metal nitride. Mn. What is the correct answer? Third one. Mn. Next one. See this question. Chemical formula for calcium pyrophosphate is Ca2P2O7. The formula for ferric pyrophosphate will be. This is some typical question, some little difficult. See, before doing this problem, I want to explain a small concept. See, we know, for example, sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate. Okay. Sodium sulfate. How you can write sodium sulfate? NaSO4. Na we know +1. Sulfate -2. Crisscross formula Na2SO4. Na2SO4. This is the formula for sodium sulfate. For suppose we don't know the charge on sulfate. For suppose we don't know the charge on sulfate. Na and SO4. We don't know the charge on sulfate. Sodium +1. Sulfate we don't know. Let X say. Let assume X. Charge on sulfate X. For suppose if we don't know the sulfate charge X, then what? NaX SO4. NaX SO4. NaX times SO4. But given formula Na2SO4. Na2SO4. Sodium sulfate. Then how to find X? This ratio. SO4 one time. This ratio. What this ratio? X:1 is equal to. Here ratio 2:1. Here 2. SO4 one time. 2:1. X:1 means what? X/1. 2:1 means what? 2/1. Then what is X? 2. So sulfate charge 2 we are getting. You understood now? For suppose if we don't know the charge on any ion, but given formula of that ion, any chemical compound involving that ion, you can do like that. Okay. First one, sodium sulfate formula what? Na2SO4. Asking what? Find the charge on sulfate. Sodium Na+1. Sulfate we don't know. For suppose we don't know charge on sulfate -X. Then what? NaX times SO4 one time. That is formula given. Sodium sulfate formula given. Na2SO4. Okay. Now this ratio must be equal to this ratio. No? This ratio X:1 is equal to 2:1. Then X equal to what? 2. In the similar way, same concept you can apply for this. Given what? Chemical formula for calcium pyrophosphate Ca2P2O7 given. Asking what? The formula for ferric pyrophosphate. We don't know. Ferric ion we know Fe3+. Fe3+ we know. but we don't know pyrophosphate. Charge on pyrophosphate we don't know. Charge on pyrophosphate we don't know. But given one chemical compound that involving pyrophosphate ion. Pyrophosphate ion. So based on this given information, first of all we have to find charge on pyrophosphate. Charge on pyrophosphate. So how we can find? First of all, see, calcium pyrophosphate P2O7. We know charge on calcium +2. This is a divalent +2. Pyrophosphate we don't know. Charge on pyrophosphate we don't know. That's why you can say X. Now crisscross. Then what? CaX P2O7 2 times. CaX times P2O7 2 times. Okay, now this is actually we are getting. But calcium pyrophosphate formula given. Calcium pyrophosphate. What is the formula? Calcium pyrophosphate Ca2 P2O7 1 time. Here P2O7 there is no any number, means indicate 1. Ca2 P2O7 1 time. This ratio must be equal to this ratio now, as we discussed before. Now X is to 2. X is to 2 is equal to what? 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. Then X by 2 is equal to 2 by 1. Okay, cross multiplication. X is equal to 2 into 2 4. So what is the charge? What is X? Charge on pyrophosphate ion. Charge on pyrophosphate ion P2O7. Charge on pyrophosphate ion X 4. So -4. What is the charge on pyrophosphate ion? -4. If we don't know the charge on any ion, but given any chemical compound that involving that ion, you can find like this. Now you can find ferric pyrophosphate. Ferric Fe +3. Pyrophosphate P2O7 -4. We are getting 4 -4. Then what is the answer? Fe 4 times, P2O7 3 times. P2O7 3 times. Then third one is the correct answer. Fe4 P2O7 3 times. For suppose if you know the charge on pyrophosphate directly, then you can take directly. No need to find. If you don't know the charge on pyrophosphate ion, you can find in this way first. Got it? Next question. See, formula of phosphoric acid is H3PO4. A metal M forms chloride of the formula MCl2. The formula of its phosphate is formula of phosphoric acid H3PO4. H3PO4. Metal forms chloride MCl2. MCl2. Now you find charge on metal. Charge on metal. How you can find charge on metal? Same. MCl. Charge we don't know. X. Chloride ion charge 1. MClX. That is equal to formula MCl2. Here 1. 1 is to X is equal to 1 is to 2. Then X equal to 2. What is the charge on metal? 2. What is the charge on metal? 2 +2. Charge on metal +2. Asking what? The formula of its phosphate. So metal +2. Phosphate, you know, phosphate -3. Phosphate ion formula -3. Then M3PO4 twice. M3PO4 twice. First, depending upon given information, first you find charge on metal. Given formula MCl2. We don't know charge on metal. MCl. We don't know charge. Let X say. Charge on metal X. Chlorine -1. crisscross M1 ClX, that is equal to MCl2. So M1 ClX Cl2. So X equal to what? 2. So what is the charge on metal? Plus 2. Charge on metal plus 2. Asking what? Its phosphate formula. Metal plus 2, phosphate minus 3, then M3PO4 twice. Okay now? Next one. Formula of chromic acid is H2CrO4. Formula of divalent metal chromate. Divalent metal chromate. Metal M divalent plus 2. Chromate ion we know CrO4 2 minus. Chromate ion formula CrO4 2 minus. CrO4 2 minus is chromate ion. Cr2O7 2 minus is dichromate ion. CrO4 2 minus is chromate ion and Cr2O7 2 minus is dichromate ion. So chromate, metal chromate. M2CrO4 twice. M2CrO4 twice. Simplest ratio 1:1. Then MCrO4. MCrO4. Hence option A is correct. Okay now? Next. See this question. If a compound has a formula of A2B3, then the formula of oxide of A, A2O3, nitrate of A is AN, bicarbonate of A is AHCO3 thrice, chlorate of A is AClO2 twice. Here, given formula what? A2B3. A2B3. A2B3 means what is the charge on A? This is A. A2B3. B3. So then charge on A plus 3, charge on B minus 2. A2B3 means charge on A plus 3, charge on B minus 2. Let's check the options. The formula of oxide of A. Oxide, we know oxide O2 minus. Oxide O2 minus. A charge plus 3, oxide minus 2, then formula A2O3. Yes, the formula of oxide of A is A2O3, correct. Let's check. Nitrate of A is AN. A plus 3. Nitrate ion formula, we know N3 minus. Nitrate ion formula N3 minus. So charge minus 3. A3N3. A3N3. Simplest ratio 1:1. Then formula AN. Hence, second one also correct. Bicarbonate of A is HCO3 thrice. A charge on A plus 3. Bicarbonate ion formula HCO3 minus. Carbonate CO3 2 minus. Bicarbonate HCO3 minus. Bicarbonate minus 1. Then formula AHCO3 thrice. So this is also correct. Next final one. Chlorate of A is AClO2 twice. Chlorate. See here. ClO4 minus perchlorate. Perchlorate. ClO3 minus chlorate. Chlorate ion. ClO4 minus perchlorate ion. ClO3 minus chlorate ion. ClO2 minus chlorite. Chlorite ion. ClO minus hypochlorous ion. Hypochlorous ion. These are the four different same category. Perchlorate ClO4 minus, chlorate ClO3 minus, chlorite ClO2 minus, hypochlorous ClO minus. Here given what? Chlorate A, chlorate ClO3 minus, ClO3 minus, A plus 3, then formula A ClO3 thrice. This is the formula of chlorate of A. This is the formula of what? Chlorate of A. AClO3 twice. But here given what? AClO2 twice. So this is wrong. Okay. A, B, C are correct. Okay. Got it? So in this way we can do this. Next one. The chemical formula of potassium superoxide. We know Superoxide ion formula O2 minus O2 minus superoxide. Charge on K potassium plus 1, O2 minus 1 superoxide ion O2 minus, this is superoxide. O2 2 minus peroxide, O2 minus oxide. Asking what? Potassium superoxide, potassium superoxide. Then KO2, K one time, O2 one time, KO2. Then what is the right answer? Third one, potassium superoxide. Next one, already we discussed this question. The oxide of a metal M is M2O. Then the formula of its chloride. Formula of its chloride. Given what? M2O. If the formula of oxide of metal, first of all, already we discussed this type of models. First we have to find charge on metal. Charge on metal. M. We don't know charge plus X. We know charge on oxygen minus 2. Charge on oxygen minus 2. Oxide. Given what? The formula of the oxide. Oxide ion formula O2 minus. O2 minus. So minus 2. Then M2X. M2X. Given formula M2O. Then M2OX. 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 Then here M2, here O, 1. Then X equal to what? 1. X equal to what? 1. So charge on metal 1. Charge on, when if an unknown element given but its compound given, then we have to find first charge. Metal oxide O2 minus, charge on metal we don't know, say X. Then crisscross method M2OX. Given formula what? M2O. Okay, so 2 X value 1. Here X value 1, 2 is to X is equal to 2 is to 1. Then X equal to what? 1. So charge on metal 1. Asking what? Its chloride formula. It's chloride. So charge on metal plus 1. Chloride Cl minus 1. Then what is the formula? MCl. MCl is the correct answer. Got it? First you find charge on metal. We don't know charge on the metal. Metal charge you say X plus X. Oxide we know. Oxide charge minus 2. So M2OX. Given formula M2O. M2O means here 1 is there. 1. So 2 X value 1. X. So charge on metal plus 1. Chloride minus 1. Then MCl is the formula. Okay. Next question. The formula of ammonium dichromate is, we know ammonium formula we know NH4 plus. Dichromate ion formula we know ammonium ion NH4 plus, ammonium ion NH4 plus 1. Dichromate ion Cr2O7 2 minus. Dichromate ion Cr2O7 2 minus. Then formula NH4 2 times Cr2O7. This is the formula of ammonium dichromate. Hence our answer is second one, NH4 twice Cr2O7, ammonium dichromate. Okay now, ammonium ion formula NH4 plus, dichromate ion formula Cr2O7 2 minus. Hence NH4 twice Cr2O7. Okay, next question. Which of the following is are correctly matching? Ammonium sulfate, barium acetate, aluminum hydroxide, ferric sulfate. Let's check. Charge on ammonium NH4 plus 1, sulfate SO4 2 minus, then crisscross NH4 twice SO4. Yes, correct. NH4 twice SO4, correct. Ammonium sulfate. Next one, barium acetate, barium charge plus 2, acetate CH3COO minus, charge, then crisscross BaCH3COO twice, BaCH3CO twice. This is also correct one. Next, third one, aluminum hydroxide, charge on Al plus 3, hydroxide minus 1, then Al OH 3 times, AlOH 3 times, but they are given AlOH 2 times, so wrong. They are given AlOH 2 times, wrong. Aluminum hydroxide formula AlOH thrice, but not AlOH twice. Aluminum trivalent cation, OH minus 1, So Al OH thrice. So that is wrong. Next one, ferric sulfate. Ferric, we know ferric Fe plus 3, sulfate SO4 2 minus, then Fe2 SO4 thrice. Fe2 SO4 thrice. D is correct. So A, B, D are correct. Next question. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Which of the following is not correctly matched? See, ammonium nitrate. We know charge on ammonium plus 1. Nitrate formula NO3 minus. Then formula NH4NO3. This is the formula of ammonium nitrate. But here given NO2 minus. This is the formula of nitrite. But here given what? Nitrate. So hence this is wrong. That is ammonium nitrite. NO2 minus. But given what? Ammonium nitrate. Nitrate and formula NO3 minus. So first one wrong. Second one, cuprous chloride. Cuprous plus 1. Chlorine Cl minus 1. Then cuprous chloride formula CuCl. But they are given what? CuCl2. That is cupric chloride. So this is also wrong. Cuprous plus 1. Chloride minus 1. Then CuCl is the formula. Cuprous chloride. Next one, ferrous sulfate. Ferrous Fe plus 2. Sulfate SO4 minus 2. Simplest ratio 1:1. Then FeSO4. Ferrous sulfate. Yes, correct. Sodium sulfide. Sodium plus 1 charge. Sulfide S2 minus. So minus 2 sulfide. Then formula Na2S. Sulfide and formula S2 minus. Sodium Na plus. Monovalent Na plus S2 minus. So Na2S. Sodium sulfide formula Na2S. So correct. So A, B wrong, C and D correct. Okay na? Hope you understood. Some questions are difficult. So those questions I explained it in detail. So in this way you can practice remaining questions also in the given material. Okay na? Thank you.